Welcome to Mandala Art. Today we're making the Ocean Star Coaster Kit, so let's get started. Begin by placing and gluing the small glass blocks around the outer edge of your base. You want to try and leave a 1 to 2 millimeter gap between each piece. It won't always be possible to leave that amount of space, but where you can, it allows a great amount of space for the grout to settle into later on. In this kit, we've included a handy little pair of tweezers to help you lay those blocks. Hold on to these because you can use them for any other mosaic project that you do in the future. Once you've finished gluing your border, you want to wait about 20 minutes before starting the next part of the process. Now you're ready to place and glue the crackled glass around the outer edge of the star. Use the curve of the glass to match it up with the design lines of the star. You might need to play around a little bit to get the pieces to fit, but that's all part of the fun of mosaics. Once you've completed the border, you can go ahead and add the crackled glass into the rest of the star. Again, trying to keep that 1 to 2 millimeter gap between each piece. Once you've finished laying your glass, you want to wait 1 hour for the glue to dry. Now it's time to grout your piece. So mixing 30 ml of water in with your grout mixture until you get a lovely toothpaste consistency. You want it to feel really nice and smooth. Laying your grout onto your piece and using the squeegee card provided, gently press the grout into all the gaps. Sometimes it can be a little tricky getting it into the different gaps, so feel free to use your finger just to gently push the grout in to make sure it's all completely covered. And then using the sponge provided, slightly dampen it and wipe over the surface of the mosaic just to remove any excess grout off the glass. You then want to wait 1 to 2 hours for the grout to dry. Once it's dry, you can take a clean, soft cloth and gently polish the surface of the mosaic to remove any leftover residue. And now you can enjoy your Ocean Star coasters. If you would like to purchase this kit, click the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more Mandala Art mosaic content and to check out the other kits in our DIY mosaic kit range.